This video is all about Nigerian celebrities who passed away in 2019. But before I continue, I would like to tell you something. You know, it has been a rare thing to find a Nigerian online community app, so I came across this app known as Naija Live. One thing about this app is that they also offer news and is a very good app for Nigerians both at home and in diaspora to connect with like-minded people. The app has a very nice chat, forum and customized feed. And luckily, it's available for both Android and iPhone users. Just go check out the app in the description of this video and you won't regret it. So in today's video, I'll be talking about Nigerian celebrities who died in 2019. But before I do, if you are new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. Yeah, yeah. Oh, my lover, never leave you lonely. Always stay by your side. Never leave you lonely.
Mariam Onwuzurigbo. Former beauty queen Mariam died after the operation to increase her backside failed. The surgery went sore when fat that meant to be transferred to the hip got into her lungs and got her to drift into coma. Even after she was immediately rushed to the Vedic Hospital in Lekki, where she was placed on life support after she was transferred to Lagos University Teaching Hospital, which was where she died 32 days after in coma. According to the investigation by Attention Magazine, the American unsatisfied surgeon Dr. Anu, who was based in Nigeria, proceeded on the fat transfer surgery at her medical control cosmetic surgery after having several cases and reports of surgery failure and complications. In fact, recent two top Lagos big babes have been victims of her misplaced professional ethics and operations, which led to the improper shift of their buttocks during the surgery conducted by Dr. Annie. The organizers of the Face of Democracy beauty pageant, Alexander Ajegbona, has expressed regret and bitterness over the death of Queen Mariam Onwuzurigbo. B. Elect of the Thoroughbreeds. B. Elect, member of now-defunct Nigerian hip-hop group, the Thoroughbreeds, passed away on June 8, 2019 after suffering from a cardiac arrest. In 2004, the rapper became popular as the member of the hip-hop supergroup, the Thoroughbreeds, with the 5-track EP Street Hub alongside E-Blaze, Obi-Wan, MGB, Chief Rocker, and Ella Joe. He was born in the late 70s in Sapele, Delta State, but he grew up in Jos, Nigeria. Ebere Larry Ebere. Nollywood actor Ebere Larry Ebere, popularly known as Cornell, died on April 13, 2019, a few days after being involved in an accident. He died a few days of a head surgery following the accident. Gbenga Akintunde. The news of Gbenga Akintunde's death, popularly known as Burger, came as a shock to most of his fans and colleagues. He died on Tuesday, January 3, 2019, after visiting the hospital to complain of malaria. Actor and producer Kunle Afod announced his death on his Instagram page, stating that he recently had a telephone conversation with Burger before he received the news of his death. Madmelon of Danfo Driver. Madmelon, the one half of Nigerian veteran music duo Danfo Driver, died on September 26, 2019. The duo drove commercial bus to make ends meet until they were discovered by Cornerstone Music in the early 2003. From being a Danfo bus driver that pied the Ojo Road and My Two routine, they rose to become one of Nigeria's best music duo and international stars to come out of Ajegule. Their hit song, I'm a Danfo Driver, was chosen alongside Two-Face song African Queen as soundtrack in the Hollywood movie Fat Girls. The duo then released a formal album titled Danfo Travel, a success story in 2005. Abe Ishola. Abe Ishola, a Yoruba actress popularly known as Biscuit, passed away at the age of 39. According to her friend, she passed away on Saturday, 30th March 2019, 10 days after welcoming a newborn baby. The death of Biscuit, the CEO of Biscuit Concept, was announced on 31st March 2019 by one of her close friends, Omolola Olumide, on Facebook. The late actress was a member of the Lagos Island branch of the Theatre Art and Movie Practitioner Association of Nigeria, TAMPAN. Ifeanyi Chukwu Onyabo, the 51-year-old movie director, died on duty while filming in Jos, the capital city of Plateau, on April 19, 2019. He was an AMAM nominee and will be remembered for some of his works, which includes New Jerusalem,
Moscow Company. Now, Yamidi would do so. Is a choncho and the Epomerian and the I want to pick up where this company don't get for your sales.
5 Apostles, Darkest Night, and One Good Turn. The cause of his death was not disclosed, but reports had it that he died of heart attack. Adewale Olanrewaju. Nollywood actor Adewale Olanrewaju, popularly known as Asholare, has passed away after a brief illness. The deceased actor colleagues broke the news on Facebook. The late actor, who also produced a couple of movies, passed away on Monday, 21st January 2019 after a brief illness. According to multiple reports, Olanrewaju's death has left his colleagues in shock. The late Olanrewaju began his career as a makeup artist on the movie set before taking it up as an actor and later producing. Binta Kofa. Popular Kannywood film actress Binta Kofa died on May 4, 2019. The deceased usually played motherly roles in Kannywood movies. Kannywood actor and a close ally to the deceased, Nuru Abdullahim, confirmed the death of the actress to Premium Times. Mr. Abdullahim said the Kannywood movie industry was shocked over the demise actress. Linchong Duke Oliver. Linchong Duke Oliver passed on April 2, 2019 at the age of 45. He passed away after a car crash on his way to Lagos from his mother's burial. Duke Oliver is widely referred as Linchong and Sylvanus for his role in the TV series Do Good. He once worked at Star FM on a radio program alongside other comedians. Benson Akindeju. The popular face-to-face sitcom producer Benson Akindeju died of cancer in a London hospital on 4th March 2019 at the age of 59. Akindeju ran a media and production company known as AK Media, which produced popular programs like Face-to-Face, Family Ties, Nowhere to be Found, Liberty Villa, and many more. He was survived by his wife and children. Prince Dami Eke. Nollywood actor Prince Dami Eke has passed away at the age of 41. The late actor reportedly passed away on 27th April 2019. Linda Ikeji's blog reported that the late actor slumped while having drink in a heated bar with his friends. He was then rushed to the hospital where he died. Till date, the cause of his death is yet to be ascertained. Prince Eke was one of the sons of the late Eze Baka, the Baka of Woji in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Chris Hanen of Ozigizaga. A veteran Nigerian singer, Chris Hanen, who was popular for the 1990 hit track Ozigizaga, is dead. The singer died on December 4, 2019 after an illness. The soft-spoken singer shot into limelight after the release of his debut album Turning Point in 1990. But his fame and fortune started to dwindle shortly after he dropped his sophomore album The New Dawn in 1991. He faded off the music scene subsequently and remained out of the public radar ever since. At the peak of his career, he worked with veteran singers like Bright Chimezie, Tony Okoroji, Stella Moye, Onyeka Owenu, Chris Mba, and many more. Alfred Rotimi Papola. Alfred Rotimi Papola passed away on Thursday, 27 February 2019 at age 51. Well known as Iliventure, Rotimi reportedly died at his residence in Abeokuta, Ogun State, after a brief illness. The actor's death was confirmed by the Abeokuta chapter of Theatre Art and Movie Practitioners Association of Nigeria. It was reported that the veteran actor was laid to rest on Thursday, 28 February 2019. Eddie Uboma. Famous Nigerian movie producer Eddie Uboma died at the age of 78. Eddie Uboma was announced dead on Saturday, May 11, 2019. The death of the movie producer was announced by a movie art practitioner, Shaibu Hussaini. In the statement received by Hussaini, Uboma died on Saturday about 11 p.m. in a hospital. Eddie Uboma was bedridden in a private hospital in Badagry before he was transferred to another hospital where he died. The late filmmaker was scheduled for a surgery before his death was confirmed by a doctor. Eddie Uboma was a Nigerian film director and producer. He directed and produced the films such as The Rise and Fall of Onyenisi in 1979. The plot of some of his films are based on real-life events. Uboma's films usually tackles contemporary social and political issues. Theodore Anyanji. A veteran Nollywood actor and filmmaker, Theodore Anyanji died on November 24, 2019 in Lagos State. The deceased battled heart and kidney-related ailments for many months. A fundraiser was announced on his behalf on November 6, 2019, but it yielded little or no result. The actor reportedly passed away in Prayer Healing Church in Festac, Lagos State, Nigeria. Anyanji was a member of the Director Guild of Nigeria and made countless Nollywood hits. One of his famous works was Adam Banno, which subsequently launched the career of Queen Wokoye.
Adure, Irolenu, London. Oh, you will go mountain. You can't eat a roof. Oh, not to look at whom they show. Oh, she didn't say, and you want to go. Okay, we shot out a gallant international.
He also directed and scripted projects such as The Plain Truth in 2008, Greatest Weapon in 2006, and Ihite Kingdom in 2014. Henry Okoro. Nollywood producer Henry Okoro has died at the age of 36. Henry Okoro died as a result of an injury sustained in a car accident. According to reports, Henry Okoro, who was also known as HP Media 30, was on his way from an acting with his friends when the accident occurred. While he wasn't lucky, his friends were said to be currently battling for their lives. One celebrity who has expressed his shock over Henry's death is Yul Edochie. The movie star took to his Instagram page on Saturday, May 11, 2019, where he shared a picture of him and Henry Okoro. He went on to drop emotional captions on the photo. Me and Henry about 10 years ago, I'm so heartbroken. Can't believe you are gone. Don Sniff, Guy Man, Hustler, Good Guy, Ezigbo Mmadụ, Great Soul, rest in peace bro. Henry Okoro was an actor before taking a backseat to work as a producer and director. Yemi Fawaz, the pioneer of professional modeling in Nigeria, died in the United States on 20th February 2019. She was diagnosed with enlarged heart, also known as congestive heart failure, in 1999. The 64-year-old was the first Nigerian supermodel. She left Nigeria in 1997 and returned in 2016. She opened the first modeling school and professional modeling agency in Nigeria and West Africa. Her modeling career suffered a beat when she became a model again in 1991. Fawaz survived by her 33-year-old daughter. Tony Ayansodo. Nollywood actor Tony Ayansodo has died after battling with terminal ailment. According to multiple reports, Ayansodo passed away in the early hours of Thursday, March 7, 2019, following the battle with a yet-to-disclosed ailment. There were reports that the late Ayansodo has been admitted in a hospital in Imo State before his death. An unconfirmed report by Nigeria stated that the late actor battled with diabetes before his death. The late Ayansodo was popular for his role in several Nollywood movies such as Heavy Storm, Beyond the Verdict, Fire Dancer, and many more. Funmilayo Ogunshola. Seasoned actress Funmilayo Ogunshola, aka Mama Ijewuru, is dead. The actor, who was quite popular among Yoruba movie fans, allegedly died of cardiac arrest on Monday, February 4th, 2019 in Ibadan, the capital city of Oyo State, at the age of 58. The news of her passage was broken on social media by a Facebook user believed to be a member of her family. The deceased was the first wife of late Yoruba actor and the founding member of the Association of Theatre Art Practitioners, Ishola Ogunshola, aka Ashobepe 5. Paul Emena. Beyond the Cloud producer Paul Emema has been confirmed dead at the age of 52. The late Emema died on Tuesday, March 12, 2019 after a brief illness. Emema's death was announced by one of his friends and colleagues, Francis Onwoche, in a message. The scriptwriter, director and producer Paul Emema became a point of reference in filmmaking after the production of his soap opera known as Behind the Cloud for the Nigerian Television Authority (NTA). He went ahead to produce Supple Blues, which was also well received by the television audience. Adio Majesta. Adio Majesta has passed away at the age of 50. The veteran Yoruba Nollywood actor passed away after battling with diabetes for many years. According to reports, he died on Tuesday, May 7, 2019 in the intensive care of an undisclosed hospital. Prior to his death, Adio has reportedly suffered severely from the illness, which saw him lose a lot of weight, and unfortunately, he died. Thank you very much for having time to watch my video to the end. Rest in peace to all the people that I've mentioned that are dead and all the departed souls in the past. I have a question for you in the comment section. Which of these celebrities' deaths shock you a lot? Drop your opinion in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. Thank you very much and God bless you.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi.